The scope and scale of this exercise cannot be underestimated. The logistical challenges of trying to connect hundreds of aircraft over numerous bases to bring air power to a single point in space to achieve a specific objective is daunting, and the German Air Force has done a very professional job.
Air Defender 23 is the largest NATO exercise ever for aircraft, about 250 aircraft in 25 countries. And our role is to bring 5th-gen air power from the United States over and start integrating with NATO.
All the air forces that are exercising in this exercise train slightly differently. And it's important that we get an opportunity to train together and kind of iron out those differences so that if tasked to execute together, we can do that very effectively and very efficiently in the future. The exercise motto for this exercise is stronger together, and I think that's very appropriate, and that is the reason why we are here. It's just good business for us to get together with a number of NATO countries and people that train and execute differently to make sure that we can iron out the details of how we execute when tasked.
Well, these kind of exercises do happen all the time. Just on this scale, it's a rare thing to see these many aircraft from this many countries working together, especially for the United States, having over 100 aircraft from the United States come over here to support an exercise is very rare.
For us, it's really about interoperability and integration. So strategically, as was mentioned before, it is important to support our NATO partners and our allies in our efforts to defend our common democratic values. But operationally, for us, it's about interoperability and integration. So currently, there are 9 countries that fly the F-35, with more coming, to include Germany. And while the F-35 is a stealth aircraft, its main advantage is advanced sensors and our ability to find and detect threats and to pass that information to 4th generation and other 5th generation fighters. So it truly is an enabler, if you'd like to think about it that way, and it helps all of our platforms, all of our countries work together to maintain situational awareness on the battlefield.